Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, if you want to leave your club in chess.com, it's actually quite simple. Make sure that you are signed into your account, and once you are logged in and you are in your homepage, you want to click on more and click on community, right? Or just hover your mouse in community and click on clubs. There you go. Once you are in your clubs, you want to click on my clubs. There you go. And as you can see here, I am a member of this club. So how do I leave it? It's actually quite simple. Go to the club that you are a member of. And here you want to click on my settings. It is the last option under this club's, menu, right? So click on my settings. There you go. And here there is a big red leave club button. So all you need to do is click on leave club. A pop-up will appear asking you if are you sure if you want to leave. Click leave. There you go. You have left the club and your tab is going to just refresh. And as you can see here, if you click the same club again, you can join. So that is how you leave a club in chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.